Alright, well, we made another panel. Try to get the light a little bit better. Forming and bending with a hammer. Don't have the equipment to do anything else, so all bending, shrinking, curving, and well, compound curves and everything, that's all done by hammer. Doesn't look like much, but that is the replacement piece that made. That's 16 gauge, so it's definitely stronger and a pain in the butt to work with. Again, don't mind the welds. I forgot to clean it off enough, but you can see at the bottom it all fits very, very nicely. So, still got a little bit more to go, and really ugly right here, but that's in work too. So slowly coming. Yeah, a pile of extra bolts. That's the piece I made. Got another piece over here to make, and then you got another one, and then another one, and a table of crap. Oh, there's the engine. Crappy welder. It's going out. Alright. Oh, alright. I'll come back when I have a little bit more progress. Hopefully next couple days be able to get this thing all closed back, or maybe get some tools to help with all this forming. It's very difficult by hand, and constantly swinging hammers hurts the elbows.